There is no Christian life without church life. Remember that. And church history is our life story. 25 years you've had that story. Do you know that? We have had that story for the last 25 years. I'm talking about my life in church. You may claim to be a born-again Christian, but if you have no church where you can serve the Lord in whatever means or capacity that the Lord gave you, there's no Christian life.
Higit ngayong panahon ito, dapat lalo tayo nagbibigay ng kahalagahan at priority sa salita ng Diyos. At dapat pinapriority natin yung prayer, pinapriority natin yung church. Again, sa church, when we prioritize the church, do not forsake the church. Even though in the time of pandemic, kapag merong gathering, mag-sacrifice muna tayo.
Sige, take a share. Ano tingin mo dito sa salita ng Lord? Ano ang impact nitong verse?
Trustworthy. So I thank Jesus Christ. Salamat po Panginoon at gamitin niyo po patuloy ang mga salitang ito upang aming paglulugod sa inyo at mapuspos na pamulit pa sa salamat sa
Build ng ulit and specifications.
Malinaw po yung words. Bakit mo lang doon? Jesus Christ, the living cornerstone, crucified and risen to redeem us.
Kung ang sino ay nagnanais din sa Kanya, tinanggihan niya ang kanyang sarili at naubusan ng kanyang krus araw-araw at
may mga tanong kayo, kwento ko lang yung first time na umattend kami din sa isang fellowship.
Given power to share redemption's plan, we will tell the world the love of Jesus. We will reach the cross to every land. With a shout, the bridegroom is returning. Heaven's waves will come to claim his own. We will rise to reign with him forever. We will sing the praise of God's Son. We are your church, O God, the people of your name. In your strength we live, we worship unashamed. For your cause we serve, we joyfully proclaim. We are your people, we are your church. People of your name, in your strength we live, we worship unashamed.
Kanyang bansa din na
We serve, we joyfully proclaim. We are your people, we are your church, we are your
Ang vision natin, ang burden natin ay magtayo tayo ng gawain sa Bulacan.